careful.
Are you okay, Joe?
Now we can catch fish.
Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh,
No. All right, Joe.
Hello.
hello, I'm Joe.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
We'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Loads of blankets. Oh, Archie.
Okay, see.
Oh,
Ah, there he is.
oh, sorry. Oh, blankets.
All you had.
No! My... No!
Stop, Joe. And let's look at your foot.
Oh.
So I give it.
Now.
I can't get it! Ah, hello, I'm Joe.
I am Elliot. This is my coach, Ed. My coat is Silly. I love sports.
Good, because I'm an athlete.
Good. I'm playing basketball.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh.
See you later.
Oh. Hello, horse. Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it. Joe!
time for a little sleep.
Hello, Ozzy. Where's Joe? I'll call him.
Joe, where are you? People are waiting for their deliveries.
I'm very busy here. I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Well, we made it to the park. Now we have to look for the rangers who are going to help us. No, can't see them anywhere. Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello.
I'm Lewis, and this is Kira Jane.
Yeah.
Hello, Kira Jane.
Hello.
Will you help us?
Yeah.
Great, let's go. Oh, my hat! Oh, oh. Oh. Thank you. But I forgot what was on the list.
Hello, Joe. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, the doctor said I can have a lollipop because I was so good.
I'm really sorry, Joe. I have no lollipops left.
It's empty.
Wait here. Lollipops.
Let me help.
Be careful! Oh no! I love lollipops.
My head is still sore.